medical defenses in drunk driving cases. I've had numerous cases in the past where the police have said my clients had impaired balance or coordination. They maybe had problems getting out of their car, they were unsteady on their feet, or they had problems passing the field sobriety test at the side of the road. And one of my favorite things to do in these kinds of cases is get clients' medical records. I've had numerous clients that have had, broken or sprained ankles in the past, bad knees, torn ACLs, torn MCLs, back problems. Maybe my client is overweight, has a herniated disc. There's any number of medical conditions that can affect somebody's balance and coordination. And lots of times what the officer is saying is, I observed this client and the way that they were walking was unusual and their balance wasn't perfect. And it's great to be able to show these medical records, because usually when I get medical records, the prosecution and the police can't really argue against them. I mean, here it is. These are things that my client went to the doctor for that showed that they have medical problems that may affect their balance and coordination. And you know what? Maybe my client simply is not able to do these tests under any circumstances, on his best day, under perfect circumstances. And the good thing about using these as a defense is it's a way to put on a defense. I'm not even really attacking the job that the police did, because in fact the police are often even helpful when I'm asking the police about this. They'll admit they were trained at the police academy to ask these kinds of questions, because if somebody has a bad back, knees, legs, it can affect their performance on the test, and they may not be candidates for the test. And police will usually admit to this, because I'm not really putting them on the spot or trying to make them look bad. And there's nothing better than going into a court, putting on a defense where I can tell the jury, the officer did a good job, find my client not guilty anyway. And lots of times that is exactly what they do.